Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back. So as you can see, we have completed some of the portion from this topic. So let's have a quick summary that what points we have discussed in our last lecture. So we have discussed what is World Heritage, we have discussed its meaning, we have discussed about the World Heritage Site, okay? And we have also discussed that who has discovered about this the topic, that is World Heritage. ठीक है, particularly one of the organization, that is UNESCO organization. The full form is United Nations Scientific United Nations Scientific and Economical Cultural Organization. This has been administered, and this particular organization is responsible for deciding which particular sites are going to be included in World Heritage Sites. After that, we have discussed about its history, that what is the main reason or story behind choosing a particular site to be included in World Heritage List. Okay, we have seen all the definitions, we have also seen the reason behind, main reason why which particular dam has been built by Egypt, why he has built, what was the reason behind his plan, and what problems he was going to face in future by initiating that plan. He has discussed all that things. After that, finally, this particular UNESCO, which organization? UNESCO. This particular organization, he made the plan and called a meeting, and he finally decided that we have to protect and maintain our what? Our historical place. That may be including either cultural places or that may be including either natural places. Okay? The examples of cultural that were included, that are the things which are made by things or monuments or buildings which are made by whom? Which are made by humankind or for mankind. And similarly, what was included in natural things? Natural science included, which was naturally developed by whom? Developed by our earth, which was included in our world. Okay? So some of the organization decided to protect and maintain cultural sites. Lekin after that, UNESCO again he arranged the meeting, he organized something, conferences, White House conference, and in that conference finally the decision came out that we have to protect and maintain what? Cultural as well as natural sites. So finally the decision came out, and the output of the meeting and conference came out that we have to protect particularly cultural as well as natural. So we have discussed in detail about the history. After that, we have discussed whatever the sites are included in World Heritage List, who exactly, which particular person is responsible to protect and manage or maintain the sites included in this list. And the committee was named as World Heritage Committee. This particular committee, they were responsible for maintaining and protecting this cultural and natural sites which were included or which were a part of World Heritage List. After that, we have seen what exactly committee was included, means how many parties were included. Basically, how many parties? 21 state parties were included in World Heritage Committee. Who has done that? World Heritage Committee. This particular committee was responsible to maintain and handle all the artifacts or all the sites which were included in World Heritage List. How many state parties were included? Basically, 21 state parties were included, and meeting was done every year once. Once in a year, meeting was held up. Meeting was regarding what? That which particular sites should be included in in World Heritage Sites. Which particular site should be a part of this list, a part of this committee. Okay? That was decided by World Heritage Committee, and that issue were discussed in the meeting which were occurred once in a year. Okay? After that, every time some of the government bodies, some of the General Assembly, they were responsible for what? They were responsible and they were having the duty to choose or to elect every time different members in the particular World Heritage Committee. ठीक है, after the duration of every 6 months, ठीक है, after the term of every 6 months, this particular General Assembly was responsible to elect simultaneously new members in this particular World Heritage Committee list. ठीक है, ठीक है, we have discussed all these things and this was just a quick summary. After that, we were discussing about the steps. Which steps? We were discussing about the steps of a particular site that should be included in World Heritage List. Means what particular things that site has to carry out, means what process World Heritage Committee has to carry out to make that particular site included in the list of this particular World Heritage List. So let's discuss. However, actually we have discussed 3 steps last time, but don't worry, I'll be taking it once again. So once again we'll be discussing in detail about all the steps that are included in this particular portion. So let's write it down. All of you note down first of all. Okay. Okay. So becoming a World Heritage List. ठीक है. First one, what was it? ठीक है. First one, as I have already said you, we are going to make an inventory. Okay. For example, I have said you. Do you remember? If you remember, I have shown you, like if I wrote here Taj Mahal. So we are going to write each and every details of Taj Mahal here. We are going to write Bibi Ka Maqbara. We are going to mention all the details of what? Bibi Ka Maqbara. Simultaneously, that was in short term we can call it as take an inventory. ठीक है? Inventory list. Do you remember? Inventory list. It was also, its meaning was detailed list, right? I hope you can remember now. And this particular term was termed as a particular name. Do you remember? Yes, exactly. That is tentative list. Yes, this is tentative list. ठीक है ना? First step was your tentative list. What was the meaning of tentative list? We'll do it again. We will revise it again. I'll again explain you. Tentative यानी क्या होता है? See, हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? Final dates नहीं दे रहे. Tentative अंदाजे से, ठीक है? अंदाजे से जो आप डेट्स दे रहे हो, अंदाजे से जो आप चीज़ें बता रहे हो, अंदाजे से आप जो साइट्स बता रहे हो कि ये साइट होना चाहिए एक पार्ट ऑफ अंदाजे से हम जब बताएंगे कि ये पर्टिकुलर साइट क्या होनी चाहिए, अ पार्ट होने चाहिए. किस चीज़ के पार्ट होने चाहिए? एक साइट के वो फीचर्स होने चाहिए ताकि वो किस में इंक्लूड हो सके, वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज लिस्ट में इंक्लूड हो सके, राइट? तो उसी तरीके से ये सब क्या होते हैं? एक टेंटेटिव होते हैं. अंदाजे से मैंने आपको बताया कि ये सारी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? उसके बाद हमारा जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप था, दैट वाज योर नॉमिनेशन फाइल. रिमेंबर, नॉमिनेशन फाइल. मैंने आपको इसको याद करने का ट्रिक क्या बताया था? आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड यू कि इसमें क्या था. However, you are seeing what? You are seeing a lot of award functions, and in that award functions यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं? award functions में आप देख सकते हैं and the nominees are. इस तरीके से जब क्या होता है? and the nominees are, जब वो nominees को क्या करते हैं? nominate करते हैं, मतलब उन्हें elect करते हैं उस particular position के लिए, तब वो हम क्या कहेंगे? nomination file. तो ये जो tentative list है,